Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to start a MEP project very fast or electrical, mechanical, any other system from the base architectural drawing. So previously I have done one video how to start a MEP project with this copy monitor and copying level and too many things. Today I'm not going to teach you in that way. This is the easiest way. So let's consider this as a second option and it's the fastest way. So I have architecture, this is what I have done. So let's this one file, save as, right? So I will save this one in, so let's consider MEP, okay, MEP. So let's save this one. So once you finish saving, and it's still saving. Once you finish saving, just go to the video and accept this level, just simply select this and just delete it. Okay, so we don't need this one also. So once you finish delete this already under MEP, go to the manage and use the same option again as a link. So we will go to the link. I am using 2025, but the same procedure. You want the version also. Yes, I will select the villa. So I will go with the open. So it's linking. Okay, it's already done. So you can check overlay attachment. So let's close this one. It's already done. So you will see here our architecture drawing now as a. So now if you go to the level one, yes, you simply see the architecture drawing as a. So as a link. So in the architecture already there is some sockets here in all that one. So now I'm right click this one and duplicate this one, right? And I'm going to make this one for the plumbing. Let's see that one. Level one. Okay. By name. So plumbing. Plumbing. Okay. So it's done. Here, before you are doing something, just search everything. So the previous setting will be go. So I take this one. Check all. Okay. So all the unused uh, families, everything will be gone because that one belongs to architecture drawings. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go to the file and make a new project. If you have your own template, you can go back and make it. So new project, here browse, I'm choosing, going to choose for, okay. So this is our project. So let's change this one architectural to plumbing. Okay, you will see this one in active and the plumbing is activated. So if you don't want to see this sockets, you can delete from the architecture. This is actually in the architecture. So now we are focusing on the plumbing. So let's focus on the plumbing. So here level one plumbing and this is the new template or if you have one template, you can on it. Let's go to the project console, cancel this and check all from project two. No, this will so let's make okay. So this something coming override, no problem. Override all. But if you don't want to give everything, you can bring on selected process. So let's close this area. Now I'm going to system type. So here I have before. I don't want to use this one because this one is I want to use this one. PVC DWT. So you go edit tab and edit. You will see all already done setup everything. See it thinks everything. You don't have to do anything. So just do it. Your plumbing is ready to flow. So you go fine here. So you will see that. The same way you can do for the other system also, even it will see everything, it will come. So you can work your MEP project very fast. It's very simple. You want level 2, you can go for the level 2. Yes, duplicate, and change here to the name, and also here rename and Bombay. So this is the level 2. So simply, it's because this one visible here because when I'm drawing in the level 1, I didn't choose the level. Yeah, meaning the elevation. So it's upper end, top end. So you can manage it. So I don't want to focus on it right now. That one you can manage while you're going. So it's simple. It's so fine. You can see here. This is in the ground level. So let's make this one 3. Apply. I think there's an activated base plane, range base level. Now, look down, apply. Sorry, look up. Range base level. So here you will put range base level now. And from here, the view range, the view depth, we will go for the 2. So you will not see the ground level points. So I have here my curves here. Okay, you can control with the cut and everything. So very simple. You can do same thing, same procedure for the ducting and for electrical also. So you can make this start your MEP project like this. So study and practice, you will be able to do very fast. So we will meet in next video, inshallah. And if you not subscribe my channel, subscribe. And we will meet with you. We will meet with you with the new video. Until there, take care. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.